Namaste to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the important topic, children, that is revision for your exams. Exams can be stressful, but being prepared can help manage stress and allow to perform at your best. There are lots of techniques you can try and resources available to make sure you get the most out of your exam study. Now it's a time to review, time to evaluate, time to action. How do I revise for exams? I will discuss now. The key things that lead to exam success, that are having ability and intelligence, working steadily and consistently, learning from mistakes, caring enough about your marks, taking advantages of opportunities for easy marks. The 7 rules of revision. Rule 1. Make your own revision notes. You will learn as you write, and once you have got them finished, you are halfway there. Rule 2. Be sure. Be certain that you know exactly what you need to revise. Use your revision list. Rule 3. Concentrate on the positives. Revise by thinking that each time you do it, you are making the exam easier. Rule 4. Try new things. Experiment with new ways of learning. Example, mind maps. Variety beats boredom. Rule 5. Don't overdo it. Concentration goes after a short period of time. So, make sure that you take regular breaks. Rule 6. Be confident. Think positively about exams and you will be taken in more information. Rule 7. Avoid making pointless notes. Look at last year's exam papers and see how questions could be asked. Managing your time. One of the key skills you need to master in exam periods is time management, or how to use your time best. One way of organizing this is by use of revision timetable, and these can be effective for some people. However, they can be unrealistic until you get them right. Nevertheless, you need to plan revision well in advance. Another of the key skills you need to master in exam periods is concentration, or how to use your head best. First one, find your best time of day. Do tasks that need most concentration at times when you are mentally and physically fresh. If you are tired and hungry, your ability to concentrate will be reduced. Second one, remove distractions. Noise, uncomfortable surroundings, and interruptions from other people all affect your ability to concentrate. Find a quiet, comfortable place to study, away from people, the computer, and the TV. Keep this space as uncluttered as possible. Third one, break time. Take short breaks, get up and walk around. When we move, blood is pumped around the body and more oxygen is sent to the brain. And last one, set a goal. Decide on a goal for each revision session. Try to achieve this by the end of the time. Keep breaking revision down into smaller pieces and reward yourself when you do exactly what you planned. Here's a few things which help to improve your concentration. First one, look at past questions. A way of getting away from reading notes and textbooks is to look at past questions. Work through and test yourself on what you know. Seek answers to gaps in your understanding. Second one, changing the subject. It's better not to concentrate on the same subject for too long. You will observe more information if you change subject or topic every 1 or 2 hours. Third one, reward yourself. Give yourself an incentive when revising by having something to look forward to when you finish your work. You are more likely to get stuck in and learn more. Now, small quick revision hints. Don't think that revision is something that always has to take ages. You can sometimes use very short periods of time for revision. 5 or 10 minutes may be enough to remind yourself of a part of a course. Short periods are useful for revising word, lists, dates, or formulae. Use revision cards here and you can look at them on the bus. For some people, 3 or 4 short sessions like this might be more useful than one big block. So, children, get ready for your exams. All the very best. Thank you, children, for watching.